what's up guys? So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a hair mask for damaged hair or just in general for healthier hair.
I found you, girl, I like being around you. Feel like Kanye, I'm bound to. Shawty, if you down, I'm down too. Yeah, I found you, girl, I like being around you. Feel like Kanye, I'm bound to. Shawty, if you down, I'm down too. Yeah, high class, shawty so bad.
Let's get this video started. If you're a new viewer, please hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, turn on post notifications. I'm going to tell you guys the ingredients. So the ingredients are an avocado, an egg, coconut oil, and honey. So honey is like questionable, like if you want to put honey in it or not. But I'm going to put honey in mine, and I'm going to show you guys how to whip it up and put it in your hair. So the first step is to wash your hair. So that's when my hair looks like this. I'm going to wash my hair. So I just washed my hair, as you can see. And what I use is Not Your Mother's Curl Talk. I have my bowl, and I'm going to cut my avocado up, crack the egg, pour the honey out. I'm using honey packets because I don't feel like bringing the whole little bear up, if you know what I mean, like the honey bear. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But anyways, so I'm gonna get all my ingredients in here. All right guys, so this is what it looks like freaking disgusting. And we're just gonna apply that to our hair. We want to part your hair. I'm gonna part mine in 2 sections. So now that I have my hair up in a whole greasy, yolky avocado mess, I'm just gonna put my hair up in a bag because I'm ghetto and I'm not gonna use my bonnet or anything nice to wrap my hair in this avocado mess. This has to sit overnight. And then I'm gonna give you guys an update tomorrow morning, how it feels after I wash out and all that. Hey you guys, so I put some lip gloss on so you can't tell I just woke up. I look crazy. But anyways, this is I can't wait to get this out. It's disgusting, it stinks, but I hope the end process is so worth it. Like, I hope my hair is like, oh, heat damage where? Heat damage who? Like, that's the results that I want. Alright, as you guys can see, I took a shower, I'm out, my shirt's wet. Just already looking at my hair, it already looks like better, if that makes sense. Like, my hair already looks moisturized, and not moisturized, but like not frizzy, like the opposite of frizzy look. That's what my hair looks like right now. Alright you guys, so this I guess is my hair brushed out and done, and honestly my hair feels really good. It looks good too, but it's not parted, so don't cut my hair. Honestly, it wasn't like that hard. I mean, obviously the overnight part was like the really like iffy part. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you guys do this at home because it's so much fun, it's so easy, and it just makes your hair feel good and you feel good about your hair. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications. New videos are coming soon.
In the cut,